Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this spinning wheel animation on CapCut PC. So go to the text section here and you want to make sure your image is not that short. I'm gonna make it like 30 seconds ish, and then I'm going to add in I guess a theme for every piece of the pie. So this is like a Wheel of Fortune kind of thing. I'm also going to, I might rotate it from like this part so that it looks like this. Okay. Go to your text and add in like anything. I'm just going to write down numbers because I don't have the time to think for a theme here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. Oh my god, sorry about that. I don't know why it's not copying and pasting. 4. 5. 6. 7. Oh my god, we have one more, which is 8. Finally. Okay. So once you have everything written down, whether or not it's names or prizes or whatever, you're just going to simply select everything, right click, create compound clip. You can also add like a triangle sticker here or an arrow, but I'm not going to even try to find it. Maybe there is. They do have it. Triangle. Let's see. Oh, they do. Okay. Like this one maybe. And I'm just going to rotate it 180 degrees and I'm just going to place it like here. Then to spin the wheel, simply select the image here and add a keyframe here. And then at the end, you're going to want to rotate it a few times. So that's like super random. It doesn't matter how much you want to rotate it. So we don't know where it's going to land, okay? Well, you already know because you were at the end, but people aren't going to know. So it's kind of random, and when you play it, it spins the wheel, and then when you get to the end, you'll know where it stops. You can rotate it again here if you'd like to, and then here again just to make it super random and even speed it up. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!